Okay, let's look at this question together. The time in numbers of days until maturity of a certain variety of hard paper is normally distributed with mean mu and standard deviation sigma equal to 2.4. Look at here. In this example, we know the population standard deviation is known. The variety is advertised as taking 7 days to mature. I wish to test the hypothesis H0 mu equal to 70 days or HA mu is bigger than 70 days. So I select a simple random sample of 4 plants of this variety and measure the time until maturity. The 4 times in days, they are 76 days, 73 days, 69 days, and 70 days, okay? This question originally asked us to do what? Hypothesis testing. But I'm gonna change a little bit. I'm gonna change to what? Build a confidence interval. Construct a 95% confidence interval for what? For mu. Instead, doing a hypothesis testing, I want to construct a 95% confidence interval for mu. Okay? How can I do that? Okay? Now, I want to construct a 95% confidence interval for mu. Okay? How can I do that? Okay? If you read my YouTube video, you know this is what? One sample. Z procedure. Why is one sample Z procedure? Since we know sigma is what? 2.4 days, okay? When population standard deviation is known, okay? The procedure, the related procedure is one sample Z. But if we don't know sigma, we estimate by S. That will change to one sample T procedure. If you read my video, you know what I mean, okay? So let's see. A very brief calculation. The test statistic used or you say the estimator is X bar. X bar is X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 divided by 4. And we use X bar to estimate mu, okay? And the 4 given days are 76 days plus 73 days plus 69 days plus 70 days divided by what? Divided by 4. Okay? This is the observed value of the test statistic. Okay? X bar is the observed value of the test statistic. What? X bar is they are 76 plus 40, 73 plus 69 plus 70 divided by 4. And this number is 72. We use this one to estimate. To estimate mu, okay? To estimate mu. And What do I want to do? I want to build a 95% confidence interval for mu. And if you read the video, it's a standard procedure. Estimate, give or take H. H is what? Margin of error. Okay? And what is an estimate? Okay? An estimate is an observability of what? Of the test statistic, of the estimator. Okay? So in our case, okay, our estimator is what? Sample mean. And observability of the sample mean, 72. So this 72 is an estimate, okay? So let's plug in the formula. It's 72, give or take H, rewrite as Z star. Z star is critical Z value. Times square root of variance of estimator, okay? Variance of estimator, okay? Variance of estimator. In this case, is 72, give or take Z star. And our estimator is X bar, okay? We sample mean to estimate the population mean, okay? So the X bar is our estimator, okay? So variance of X bar. This is something you learned from what? Central limit theorem already. It's give or take Z star times, this is sigma square over n. Population variance divided by what? It's sample size, and then you take square root, okay? And this is 72, give or take Z star times sigma over square root n, okay? But sigma is given, okay? It's 2.4 days. Sample size is also known, right? That's 4 days. Square root of 4 is 2. 2.4 divided by 2 is what? It's 1.2, okay? And from my video, if we're looking for 95% confidence interval, okay? If we look for 95% confidence interval, the corresponding Z star should be 1.96. Also, if we're looking for 90% confidence interval, okay? The corresponding Z star is what? 1.645. And why we get this number? Please go back to read my YouTube video, okay? So we just plug in this number, okay? And this is 72 plus or minus 1.96 times 1.2, times 1.2, okay? I stop right here. You want to copy, go ahead, okay? Okay, after you find the 95% confidence interval for mu, you find this interval. Know that the 95% confidence interval for mu does cover mu equal to 70, okay? Yeah, this is interval estimation. When we say interval estimation, we means what? We construct confidence interval to draw our conclusion. In this case, the 95 level confidence interval for mu does cover what? Mu equal to 70, okay?